Hello, we are going to see Oracle UI using Java Swings. I have used the IDE IntelliJ. So I coded them using Java Swings. Um, let's see. The application that I designed is this. So it has this can create tables uh, for the Oracle database engine. It has other we can insert values, update table, delete table, create triggers, create functions, view tables, and drop table and alter table. So let's first see creating a table. So what it does is it automatically generates a code for creating a table. So first we have to give the table name. Let's say it's studs, and the column name is um, roll number. I'm going to keep it a varchar type of length 7 and adding column. So the name, I'm going to give the length 30 and I'm going to add column. And when I press create trigger or table, what happens is the code required to creating the table is automatically generated by the application. So the code generated and the trigger is, the table is created. So let's see if the table has been created. So as you can see, the newly created table is here. When we view the table, there is no values because it is just created. Using the create table application, we can create tables without writing any code. Let's see foreign keys now. So as we all know, foreign keys are constraints that are used to link between two tables. Um, like for example, to link students roll number from roll number table. Students table to, let's say, mark table or something. So here I am linking students roll number from stats table to another table where there's a similar data type, that is stud. So if you incorrectly give um, table name, it will throw an exception. Once you everything is correctly filled, it will automatically create foreign key. So inserting values is basically you select the table, then it will show all the columns, then we have to just fill them up. First for example, here we are giving values for users table, which has username, password, and fname as their columns. So once we fill the values into that, when we press insert, it would be inserted into user table. Let's see. So the newly inserted values, as we can see, they have been inserted. So now update table. So updating, once we select the column, then we set the value and we have to give its condition. So we are going to update the users table. We're going to set username to Rakesh, where password is password. So if there is any row who has password as password, then the username would change to Rakesh. Let's see. So let's see if it has changed. The value has been updated. So as you can see, the first row has been updated because the password is password. Next, let's see delete. So delete is used to delete rows from uh, a table, you have to give the condition so that you can delete the according rows. So I'm going to delete a row where password is password. Let's say from users table password equal to password. So what happens is all the rows which have password as password would be deleted. So see, the first row gets deleted now. Then triggers are um, procedures, in a way stored triggers gets activated whenever it is said, let's say before insert or after insert and everything. So we are going to create a simple trigger named key before insert on the table users. So I'm going to declare a variable named a of type number. So this is the body of the trigger. So user has to write their own body. I'm going to just print a message to the console. So I'm going to print, as we all know, dbms output put line is to print to the Oracle database. So once we have it, we'll print. It will create the trigger. Next, functions and procedures. They are similar. They have a similar syntax structure. So I have combined them both. We have to give a name, the parameters, and select if it's function or procedure. Then this is our as. Then we have to give the parameters, return type, and declare variables there, and use this place for body of the function and procedure. Using this, we can create functions and procedures easily.